Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create an assignment in Google Classroom. So if you're on your main screen here, you have your different classrooms set up, and if you don't know how to set up a classroom in Google Classroom, I do have another video about that, so I will link that in the description down below. I'm going to open up just one of the classes here, and what I'm going to do is, now that I'm on the main screen, I'm going to click up here on Classwork. Once you're on classwork, you have the option to create, and that's what I'm going to click. I'm going to click create. That gives us a drop-down menu with several different options. For this video, I'm just going to show you how to do a regular assignment. I'm not going to worry about a quiz or a question or material, but you do have the option to create those things as well, and I'll have separate videos detailing how to do those. I'm going to click on assignment, and that brings us to this screen where we have a title, option for instructions, and then you can add, create, and you have other options over here on the right side. I'm just going to create an assignment called test, and the instructions, what I typically do is I will number each attachment that I'm including to the assignment, and so I'm just going to number test. I'll also usually put the objective and the SOLs that I'm covering for the day up in this instructions box as well. You then have the option to add files or create them directly attached to this assignment. I typically have my attachments made ahead of time. And so I'm just going to click Add, Google Drive, and then I'm going to say my drive, maybe I'll go to some essay feedback, and I'm going to insert that. That's now attached to the assignment. And then you can also use this option over here to either make a copy for each student, have the file that you attach as view only, or edit. If I want the students to type in it, I always select make a copy for each student, because then each student gets a blank copy of your document, not blank, a copy that they can type on. If it's view only, they can't type on it. If it's editable, they type on the original document, and we don't want that. So I click make a copy for each student. You can select how many points you want it to be, the due date, and then you can also create topics, which I will go over in another video as well, but that's kind of how you organize. You can also add a rubric, which I will go over in another video as well. Once you're done creating your assignment, attaching all of your attachments, you're going to select which classes you want that to be assigned to. You can do several at one time if you'd like. You can also assign that to just certain students in particular that are in your Google Classroom. Once you're all set, you're going to click Assign. You can also click the drop-down arrow and schedule it for later. And then your assignment is posted. It shows up there in classwork, and it also shows up in the stream. And that is just a short video of how you create an assignment on Google Classroom. List any questions in the comments down below if you need me to go over anything specific about that. Thanks for watching. Hope that helps.